Hey Amazon sellers! Want to know how your competitors are winning on Amazon? In this video, I'll show you how to use Helium 10's Listing Analyzer tool, a powerful feature that breaks down your competitors' listings and helps you improve yours. Log into Helium 10. Go to the Listing Analyzer tool under the Listing Optimization section. Enter the ASINs you want to analyze. You can do one or multiple. Enter your or competitor Amazon product ASIN. You can analyze your own listing or a competitor's. Just enter the ASINs you want to analyze. You can do one or multiple. Hit Analyze, and let the tool do its magic. Now let's dive into the Listing Analyzer results. First up, you'll see a detailed sales estimation at the top. This gives you an idea of how much each ASIN is potentially making. Really useful for market research. Then scroll down to get a summary of key metrics across all the ASINs you entered. Next is the Listing Quality Score section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see exactly what's done right in the listing, marked with a green tick, and what still needs improvement, marked with a cross. It's like having a checklist handed to you, super clear and actionable. And finally, scroll down to the top Keyword Analysis section. Here, you'll find a breakdown of all the keywords used in the listing, along with their search volume. This helps you spot high traffic terms and identify what your competitors are targeting. To use this tool, you'll need an active Helium 10 subscription. But don't worry, I've added the best discount link in the description. It gives you the maximum savings available on Helium 10, a deal you won't find anywhere else, guaranteed. If you're serious about ranking higher and boosting sales, this tool is a must-have. Give it a shot and let me know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Amazon tips.